Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need an active eBay account and a verified payment method before bidding or buying. Once that's done, you'll save time at checkout. Start by signing in and confirming your email, then add a primary payment option and shipping address so fees and taxes calculate correctly. Next, enter precise search terms and apply filters for condition, price range, and item location. This narrows results and reduces shipping delays. Make sure your notification settings are enabled so you won't miss auctions or time-limited Buy It Now listing. Once you've filtered results, evaluate each listing with intent. Read the full description and item specifics to confirm compatibility or condition, and examine photos closely for damage or missing parts. Check the seller's feedback score and recent reviews to understand reliability, and make note of the return policy and shipping costs so you can compare total price. If details are missing, message the seller for measurements or additional images. When multiple listings look similar, compare total cost and seller trustworthiness before committing. When ready, click Buy It Now or enter a thoughtful max bid. If you bid, monitor the auction close and adjust only if necessary. Before finalizing, verify shipping method, delivery estimate, and any taxes or fees so the total matches your budget. Then complete payment and save order confirmation or screenshots for records. If the item is damaged or never arrives, reach out to the seller first. If unresolved, open an eBay case with tracking and photos. This preserves your protections and speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.